So, you took a picture, you thought it looked good, then you open it up and you're like, wait a minute, that's a bland, boring sky. Well, I'm going to show you how to fix that with a super easy tool called Sky Replacement on Adobe Photoshop. And trust me, you're going to think it's really unfair. No, that sounds stupid. All right, take two and... So you took an awesome photo of some landscape and you're like, dang, this looks tasty. But then you open it up and you go to post it on Instagram or Facebook or whatever app you're using these days. And you're like, wait a minute, the sky is really boring and bland. Well, today I'm going to show you how to fix that with a super easy tool called Sky Replacement in Adobe Photoshop. Okay, for starts, it's super easy. We're gonna jump on into Photoshop here, and I'm gonna show you how to do this. So here we are. We are in the app here. As you can see, we got a beautiful picture of a nice rocky hillside with some water and the grass and everything. It looks beautiful, and some trees, but the sky is just really boring. There's nothing going on here, just some overcast, you know, it doesn't look good. And so, obviously, the big, most important factor for using this sky replacement tool in Photoshop is you need to have something that's got a very, very, very fine line between horizon and sky. Like you need that nice contrast. As you can see, this is a dark colored rock and the sky is very light colored. So that's gonna make it super easy. But first things first, you just go up here into Edit, you go down to Sky Replacement, and just like that, it does its little thing, loading screen, and boom, it pops up just like that, looking amazing. I mean, right off the bat, that's a tasty photo. But you can go up here to Sky. You can scroll through. You have tons of options, right? You can do all kinds of variations of, you know, sunsets and whatnot. I mean, just a plain blue sky with some clouds and making it look even better. I mean, I really like that look, so I'm just gonna keep this one. And then let's say, you know, oh, you wanted a little more colder or a little more warmer, probably do. This is all kind of just at this point your personal preference, but you can edit it and adjust how you want it to look and, you know, get it to your exact liking. But once you get where you want it, you like pick the sky you like, you go down, you hit OK, and then Photoshop renders it in just like that. So you went from this bland, boring picture here to this beautiful sunset. Look at that, tasty. Instagame leveled up. You are gonna be pulling in the likes like no tomorrow. Example number 2. So you look at this, you got your, you know, beautiful shot of the mountains with a nice blue sky, but how can we make this better? Easy, quick edit, go down to Sky Replacement, and booyah, look at this, 3, 2, 1, Shazam. Beautiful shot. Obviously that's the one I used last time, but I can scroll through and say, you know what if I went for like a really elegant sunset? Oh, a little too much. Maybe just overcast. Maybe some darks. Ooh, tasty. So as you can see, I took this nice shot, right? It's a beautiful picture, but I took it and I took the blue sky and I gave it this really nice, dark, aggressive, overcast look, which honestly makes it just look 10 times better. So there you have it, you know, before and after. Beautiful. So as you can see, making a picture go from this to this is super easy with the touch of one simple button in Photoshop. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope it was helpful and I hope your Instagame just takes off, you know? Anyways, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to leave a like, maybe a comment, and hit that subscribe button, will ya? Smash the crap out of it. Anyways, thank you guys all. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.